Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing our side hustle money for the month of April. Now I do these a month later only because I have to make sure that I wait until I get Mercari. Mercari is really the only one that I wait for the deposit to go through because it takes about 5 to 7 days before it hits my bank account. So I have been waiting on that and it finally came in. So we are going to be doing our April side hustle income. And this is from Etsy, eBay, and Mercari. So right now we have, for the month of April, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, and 88. So we have $88 that we are going to be doing and stuffing into some of our priority sinking funds, which I have already written down. So all of this already has a envelope that is going to be going into. First and foremost, we always do taxes. Taxes, it happens every year. So we have to put taxes aside. And from 88, I do 20%. I need to bump that up, to be honest. So it's $17.60. So we're going to be putting in $17. So 10, 15, 16, and 17. So 10, 15, 16, and 17 is going towards taxes. I do need to make sure that I start taking some money out every paycheck. I have not done that yet, which I need to start doing that. So let's go ahead and get this ready. I hope you are having a great weekend. Ours was awesome. We did a ton of stuff. It was Mother's Day weekend, so we hung out with Mom. Mom was down here for a 4-day weekend, and it was just fun. We had tons of fun. So for taxes, we have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. So we have $49 in taxes, which is not good when we are coming up on 6 months of the year. So that's a little scary. The next one that we're going to be doing is giveaway. So giveaway is something that I really want to prioritize because in June or July, I do want to save $100 and then do two $50 giveaways. So we need to prioritize this one. And then this one is going to be getting $10. So right now for giveaways, we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 50, 51, 52, and 53. So we have $53 in giveaways. Let's see. I want to save savings and debt for last because those are my favorite, and fertility. Those three are like my top priorities that I want to do. So next is going to be Mom. And we are going to be starting this off. She does not have anything right now because it was Mother's Day. So we have 5 and 6. I'm going to start off $6. Let's see. Next is going to be Home. Home is one of the bigger ones as well. And this is to remove a tree, which I have said that multiple times every time we stuff this one. So that is getting $10. So Home reno has 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, and 83. So $83 is going into Home reno. Traveling, which we need to start a savings challenge for traveling because we have a big trip coming up in October. We was going to do 2 small trips, but this came up and it's like with my brother and my sister-in-law. So we decided that we'll just make that our main trip for this year. And guys, I have been missing Disney so much, you guys. I was thinking about it and then Disney popped up on my memories and I just got really sad. I just love Disney. A lot of people, it's not their jam. I get that. But I absolutely love Disney and I miss it so much. So I really, really want to get back to it. Back to Disney as soon as possible. But this year, it's not going to happen. We already prioritized savings and everything. So we'll see what next year holds in 2025. So travel is going to be getting $10. So right now we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, and 73. So $73 in traveling. Let's see, we're going to go to debt next, and debt is getting $10. So debt right now is 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, and 41. When we reach $100, it is going to be deposit and make a extra payment towards our student loans. Well, my student loans. Jared doesn't have student loans. Rainy day fun, which is this one, this challenge that we have been constantly completing. I can't remember when I started this, but it's been a minute. So it is about time we hurry up and finish this one. So we are going to be putting $10 in this one. Hopefully we'll be done either by the end of this month with all the savings challenges that we are going to be completing. Hopefully this month or the beginning of June. So this can be a really good buffer for our emergency fund and our goal for $10,000 this year to save. So we are going to be putting $10 right here, and I do not save this. I wait until I finish this challenge, and then we will count and see how much we have to go towards savings. And last but not least is fertility. It's right here, and this is my Etsy sales. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So $15 that is going towards fertility. And we have, as of right now, $100 into the high yield savings account, which I'm probably going to do a video of my high yield savings account, probably the monthly one, because I haven't been I've started like writing down how much I deposit in there, into which categories. So I thought that would probably be a really good video just to see my progress every single month. And then this month has actually been pretty good. So I'm super excited. I'm probably going to do a video on that. I don't know when it will come out, either on a Friday or possibly on a Sunday at the end of the month, but we'll see. I'm super excited about that one. So it's going to be another new video, a new series that's going to be starting soon. Like I said, so we have fertility, we have $100. We have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So we have $116. And then once we reach 100, it will go into the high yield savings account. And that is it, you guys. So we stuffed $88 from our side hustle from eBay and Mercari. I usually do like a little breakdown of how much I earned in Mercari, how much I earned in eBay. But I just thought that we can just go straight into stuffing this time, because why wait? That's what, gotta give what the people wants is the stuffing part. But anyways, I love you guys and thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. Let me know if you love the side hustles, and let me know if you are doing any kind of side hustle to save for whatever you want to save for this year. But anyways, I love you guys and thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you guys later. Bye.